Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Sims 4 online with friends. While The Sims 4 doesn't officially support multiplayer, a fantastic community-made mod makes it possible. This guide will walk you through setting up and enjoying online play with your pals. It's a great way to share your Sims stories and build together in a whole new way. Get ready to transform your solo Sims experience into a shared adventure. First, you'll need to download the S4MP mod. Always get it from the official source to ensure you have the latest and safest version. Once downloaded, extract the files directly into your Sims 4 mods folder, typically found in your documents. Before launching the game, make sure to enable script mods within your game options. This crucial step allows the mod to function correctly, opening up your multiplayer experience. To start playing, one person will act as the host. They'll launch The Sims 4 and the S4MP mod, then create a new game or load an existing one. Other players will then use the host's IP address to connect to the game. It's vital that everyone involved has the same version of The Sims 4 and any other custom content or mods installed. This ensures a smooth and synchronized gameplay experience for everyone. For the best experience, ensure everyone has a stable internet connection to minimize lag and disconnections. Coordinating your custom content and expansion packs with your friends is also key to avoiding issues. Remember, communication is important for a fun and collaborative Sims session. And for more great deals, including the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener, check out the description below. Enjoy building your dream worlds together.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.